Look, look, look. He like, look, look, look. Oh, that's hard. Hold on, hold on. We see some people outside. Let's get it, come outside. Oh, look at him. He said, fuck you, bitch. Just for that, I'm about to fuck up your parade. Watch this.
I was really on that field. I was catching fades. I was really on them pills. I be hella faded. Using no show on that drill. Talking about I can make it. Damn it, LJ ain't got no chill. I can't do no bass. Got your rent on my break.
Yo, 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 tune in TV. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Let's take this thing up on the air. Let's take this thing up in the air. Yes, sir. Welcome to beautiful Kansas City, Missouri. Let's get this thing up to about 100. About 100. Oh, no, that's good. That's good. Let's go about 90 meters. We're just going to get y'all a little quick little 360. But yeah, man, happy Memorial Day weekend. Beautiful Saturday night. I think it's like 11 o'clock at night right now. Yeah, y'all know me. I'm too old to be going out and shit. But I was like, you know what? Let me just check out what downtown life looking like nowadays, because I don't be really going downtown like that. So yeah, here we are. So if you know anything about Kansas City, man, we in the Westport district, a little bit south of downtown. Let's bring this thing on down. Let's bring this thing on down. Oops. Let's bring this thing on down. In case if y'all wondering, Tune, where you at? I'm gonna let y'all know where I'm at. Hold on. Let's bring this thing down. Let's bring this thing down. Let's bring this thing on down. Tilt it up. Let's go ahead and turn the gimbal. I am... Hold on, where am I? Hold on, gang. Hold on, gang. Hold on, gang. Where we at? Yeah, we right here off in the cut, man. Shout out to King. Is this King Crab? Crazy Crab. Crazy Crab. Yeah, we right here. We right out here in the cut, gang. You know what I'm saying? So I got my little bird in the eye. Keep a watch on me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me see. I got 17 minutes of flight left. Let's take this thing on down, man. Let's take this thing on down. Let's drop the altitude a little bit. Drop the altitude just a little bit, right? I think that's good. I don't want to go too crazy low. Yeah, I think that should be straight. Yeah, man. What street is this? Fuck, I don't even know my own streets. Oh, Broadway. We down Broadway. I'm tripping. Heading to Westport. If you know anything about Westport, it's pretty much like the bar. Oh, what we got going on? What we got going on here? Let's see if anybody noticed that I'm right here. Y'all think they noticed? Let me move forward just a little bit. See, this is another. Hey, listen, y'all. This is the prime reason, not prime. Hold on. This is a prime example. I can't even get my fucking words out tonight. This is a prime example of why I don't take my black ass out. You know what I'm saying? There's people just standing around. You know what I'm saying? Smoking Camels, not doing nothing. You know what I mean? Ain't nobody macking on no hoes. Look, just chugging beers. Fuck that. Been there, done that. Yeah, let's keep this thing going, gang. Let's keep this thing going. Let's take this up just a little bit. Get a little speed going. So we're going to take y'all to where the bar is at. Should be jumping. What time is it right now? It's like close to midnight. Ooh, I got 11 minutes. I might have to change my battery. Yeah, I might have to change my battery, gang. Well, we'll just go there for a second, then I'll turn back around. Damn, it's a lot of cars out tonight. So, right here off to your right, if you can see, let's bring this thing on up just a little bit. Oh, no, we freezing. Okay, there we go. Starting to get the hang of it. But as you can see, gang, this is Westport. Yeah, this little box y'all can see how many penny. Y'all see that? All that right here? That's it. That's Westport for you. They got, pretty much like any other city, man. You got your nightclubs. your bars, your food places, you know, things of that nature. Let's see. Oh, they look pretty busy right there. I don't want to get in there right now, just for the simple fact that my battery, I got like 50% left battery. What should I do, gang? What should I do? I'm gonna take y'all over here. I just don't wanna. I got 14 minutes left. Come on.
Take off.
We recording? Yes, sir.
The home point has been
Alright,
updated.
so this is eye
Please
level.
check it on the map.
See how high I want this drone. Probably like that height. That's good, ain't it, gang? That's like above cars. About right there. That should be good. Let's slowly ease onto the road. Matter of fact, let's go up just a little bit. I don't trust nothing. Let's see what's going on. A little speed on it, don't I? All right, let's see. Damn, did they leave? Oh, let's go up just a little bit. I don't want to touch nothing. Oh, no, there's still a few people out here. Hey, let's go pick on them. Let's get a little bit low. Let's turn it. Oh. Do they notice? They don't even notice this thing right here. That's crazy. Oh, hold on. She might notice something. Nah, they don't notice nothing. Let me get out their business. I swear there was something. Ah, they probably closed it. It was right here. Actually, there's a lot of famous people performed at this. What is it called? Is it the Uptown Theater? I don't know. I don't really be paying. Ooh, I almost hit that motherfucker. All right, let's go back down to Westport, gang, because that's what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see real action. Hold on. We see some people outside. Let's get it, come outside. Oh, look at him. He said, "Fuck you, bitch." Just for that, I'm about to fuck up your parade. Watch this. He shouldn't have did that. Hey, she don't like that, do she? He shouldn't have flipped my shit off. Now I'm gonna sit here. Matter of fact, I should be an asshole, huh? Yeah, I don't want this nigga to fuck up my shit. He seemed like the type that'll, you know what I'm saying, throw a bottle at your shit. Let me leave buddy alone. All right, let's go, gang. Hold on, let me go up. Damn, I didn't realize these lights are so low. Sheesh. All right, cool. Let's head off to Westport. Let's see what we can find. Man. Bird in the sky. Instead of bird in the sky, we're going to call it tune in the sky. How about that? Oh, shit. I was like, what the fuck? I got scared. Y'all was like, what the fuck? I was like, so there I am right there. You know what I'm saying? Off in the cut. Hold on. Somebody coming around that corner by me. Let's see. All right, let's turn back around. All right, let's go. Let's head off to Westport. Ooh, I hear some hoes. Hold on, slow that. Turn back around. Heard some hoes. Where'd they go? Oh, never mind. They went up into the store. Cool. Let's get it, come outside. Let's take this thing on up, man. Hey, that's a beautiful view. Hold on, I gotta take a picture of that. I got to. Gotta take a picture of that. That's nice. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Hold on. Let's get a pic of that downtown. Let's take this thing on up a little bit. Ooh, hold on. I hear him. Y'all see that? We got the bikes coming. Oh, let's put that thing back in video. Let's see what they got going. Hey, I should just hop on my bike and fuck with them. Let's see, I ain't over nothing, am I? Can I go down? I don't want to go too low. Oh, look. We got some action. Let's follow their ass. Oh, that's hard. Look. He like, look. Oh, that's hard. What you think their reactions is? I got weak signal. Hold on. I see some girlies. Let's see what they on. Come on, man. Hold on, I might have to take this thing up just a little bit. I ain't got no signal. Why I got poor signal right now, gang? No! Follow that. And then we gonna go boom. Let's turn that thing around. Hover on down. Can I go down? Come on. Damn, man. Just when I'm trying to get some good footage, shit wanna fuck up. Yeah, fuck them. I don't wanna go too far. See, y'all see that? Vision block, weak signal. Oh man, please don't do this to me. Please don't do this. Oh my God. Whew. Oh my God. Cancel, hold on. Cancel, return home. All right, I got control. Oh, that was super scary, gang. That's the only thing about these drones, man. But I do like that feature. You see what happened? It, hold on, let's go. Let's go over here. But people starting to come out now. Yeah, they starting to come out now. Let's see. What can we capture? Just ain't got no signal, man. Yeah, I don't know, gang. I'm trying to get some shit, but so I got weak signal. I'm trying to see what these folks on. What they got going on? Yeah, I got weak signal. All right, I might have to move back towards where I'm at. Ugh. See what I'm saying? Oh, move. Come on, man. Is it just that you can't drive low or something? I don't know. I got 26 power signals. Like, why is it doing that? I don't know what's going on. All right, y'all. I thought I was gonna be able to get down there, but hold on. Is that the bus or is that fire department? I don't know. Yeah, I got weak signal. I can't fly over here, gang. My apologies. Fuck. That sucks. Look, now I'm getting bad in the signal. What the hell? Yeah, now I got a good signal. Like, what? All the action is over there. We might have to move locations, gang. I don't know. Don't know. Let's try it again. So we got full bars. It's like once I get close to over here, it's like I just start losing signal and bars. See? As soon as I get low. Let me go back up high. Oh, we got some people on the dance floor. On the dance floor. Is that a dance floor? Oh, nah. That shit dead. On the dance floor. Ain't nobody. Where the hoes twerking and shit? Like, hey, look at these people. Let me see what they doing. Just chilling. This is why I don't go out, gang. Like, wasting money for what? You know what I'm saying? I mean, yeah, okay, it's understandable if you out with some people, you know what I mean? And that's a reason for you to go out. But if you just like on some solo dolo shit, like, especially if you over the age of, let's say, 27, 26 really, but there's no need to. Like, it's the same shit. That's why I try to tell all my young homies, man, don't be chasing these hoes. Y'all see this? I can come back and do this same video in 6 weeks, right? On a Saturday, 6 weeks from now. Same. Oh, what was that? Y'all hear that? Same women gonna be out here. Hey, I might low-key follow their ass, just hop on the bike. What they doing? They doing, gang. Just driving in circles and shit. That's pretty much all they doing. I took a picture of this, didn't I? Let's back this thing on up. Let's go up and back. That's hard. Matter of fact, let me screen record and get some, yeah, let's do that. Screen record. Just to get this. Record, and then we're gonna go up and back. Just to get that scenic. There we go. And go gradually slow. All right, get that off my screen. We get it. Let's see. Is this actually picture mode? Oh, okay. Come on, man. That might be too low. Alright, gang. Ooh, where's that coming from? Oh, I see the car speeding. Well, I guess this is probably gonna wrap it up for me, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you. I can't even fly the drone over here. What's all that going on? That commotion. Yeah, I really can't even fly my drone over there, and it looks, from the looks of it, as y'all can see, shit look dead. You know what I'm saying? It don't really look like nothing much is going on for real, for real. So we probably gonna call this a wrap. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, seeing a little bit of downtown. I gotta go this way anyway to go back to the crib. So I think what I might do, I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I was gonna say I'm gonna go down here a little bit and then I'm gonna take the drone. I don't feel like doing this whole process again. Oh, you hear that? I hear a bite. Oh, that's them. Well, two of them. All right, where I park at? Yeah, gang, ain't shit really going on, for real, for real. What a damn thing. Boring ass Saturday. But I appreciate y'all fucking with the crew, fucking with the kid, man. Like, share, subscribe, click the post notification bell so you can stay tapped tuned to when we drop. Where I park at? Who this? Alright, let me figure out where I parked at. Where am I at? Let's see. See what we got going on here. I heard somebody peek up on my ass, so we gonna drop this drone and see what the fuck going. See, it's too many cars back here now. I don't trust none of this shit. Alright, gang. Oh, y'all hear that? Hold on. Oh shit, y'all hear that? Where am I at? Oh, right here. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for me, gang, man. Like, share, subscribe, do all that good shit.